Hello dear friends again. This time I'd like to show you the unboxing and a small review regarding the components I will use for this build. It's my first 500 size RC helicopter and the brand is VCTRC and it has a DFC head. So apart from the ugly box, which was supposed to be a nice gift box, okay, never mind. So let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, so on one side, let me get it out. Okay, tight fit. So this is the main part of the kit. As you can see, it's already assembled. It's the belt version. So I can see it looks nice. It doesn't have any sharp edges, so it doesn't need additional sanding. It looks nice. It's very light, all carbon fiber. So yeah, okay, this is the main part. And now let's see the rest of the items. So this is the tail boom. As you can see, it has the support rods and the servo rod here inside. It's a good idea to protect. So this is inside the tail boom. Now let's get the rest of the parts. These are for the canopy. Okay. Let's get all of them out one at a time. This is spacer, also for the canopy. Okay, the main gear. This is supposed to be compatible with the VCTRC500 Pro with the DFC head, so I hope it will fit, meaning they have spare parts. I hope I can use it. Tail blades, carbon fiber. Landing gear, which is much bigger than the 450. Okay, some velcro and some small tie wraps. Bowlings. Again, something for the canopy. This is some lubrication. The pinion, which I choose for my setup, I choose the 13 teeth. I hope it's good and I don't have a too high or too low RPM. The swash plate leveler tool, which is nice because you can use it for the 500 size class, but using this small adapter you can use it also on a 450 class. So it's good. Again, more canopy spacers. Okay, same as before. Okay, the vertical and horizontal stabilizers and the tail servo mount, all made of carbon fiber. Okay, here it is, the main shaft and the rotor. So I heard it has the VCTRC500 Pro main shaft, so let me just open it. Yep, it says Align 500 DFC. Maybe you can see it. So this is a nice surprise. Yeah, the head itself seems very smooth, so I hope it will perform well and it will last in time, not like the, I don't want to say name, but like other many clones. So it feels pretty smooth. VCTRC. Okay, some thread lock. These are for fixing the motor to the frame. Let's see what we have more here in the box. Okay. some glass fiber tail blades. This is the tail assembly complete, again VCTRC, so I read positive reviews about it, and it also moves very smooth. Like I said, I choose the tail belt version instead of the shaft because I prefer this and I think it's easier to maintain. And again, the parts needed for the tail boom and securing everything on it. So this was the VCTRC500 kit, like you've seen it. I could choose between other clone brands, but I read better things about the VCTRC brand, so that's why I have this one. After I will start the build, I will update with my issues if I find any, and share it with you, of course. And after everything will be set up, using a Tarot flybarless controller, I will make some flight movies and see how it behaves. As like I said in the beginning, some additional components that I want to use for the motor, it's this Leopard LC500 1450 kV motor. So normally the lines come with 1600, but I thought I can increase a bit the flight time because I'm not really a 3D hard flyer. I like to go smoother. So if I really need higher RPM on the main blades, I can play with the pinion, so I can increase the RPM. So this is the motor I will use. For servos, I was not decided between the many Hobby King options that there are now on the market. But since I know, for example, RC711 sells the Atom 500 fiberless using the spring RC servos, I thought I'd give it a shot and get this one. So this one are SM34A3M for the swash plate and 3471M for the tail. So these have good spec. It's comparable with the Alliance versions that they use in their 500 DFC helicopter. So I hope I make a good choice and I will not have any issues and will perform well. Okay, for the speed controller, I have this one, which is the Hobby King 80 amp Pro version. So I hope I also made a good choice. I read good things about it, so I hope I will also not have any issues. Yeah, the platinum version. The only thing I'm not really sure about is the BEC. It says 4 amps, but maybe this heli will pull more than 4 amps on pitch pumps, and since it's the flybarless, it's a bigger load also on the servo. So I have to see. Anyway, if not, I have to get another U-back, like maybe 5 amps or something like this. So, but for now I have to try with this one. And since many of you probably are just wondering what's the size difference between 500 and 450 class, I didn't bring the heli from the other room, my 450, but I'm just going to compare the blades. So this is a 325 millimeter main blade from my 450 heli, and this one, it's a blade that a 500 heli class uses. So as you can see, it's really huge, so maybe 30% more. So the heli is bigger and it feels bigger. Just look at the main part of the heli. It's almost the size of a 450 blade. So I think it will be maybe a bit intimidating on the first spool ups, but then of course you'll get used to it and you'll enjoy the extra stability that the bigger blades give you. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope really that the VCTRC brand really is up to the name basically that many people on the net talk about them. So yeah, and maybe why not you can also consider getting this instead of other 500 size clones. Okay, until next time, thank you for watching and bye bye, take care.